Here we are going to do the 10th question of exercise 9.1. Let's read the question first. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on the either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. From a point between them on the road, angles of elevations of the top of the poles are 60° and 30° respectively. Find the height of the poles and distances of the point from the poles. Here the figure is drawn. Here AB and CD are the poles and BC is the road, which is 80-meter wide. Okay. AB is pole 1 and CD DC is pole 2. Okay. And BC is road. Okay. And E be the point which is x meter from pole AB. Let E be the point which is x meter from pole AB. Okay. That is, this implies that BE is equal to x meter. BC is equal to 80 meter, which is the width of the road. BC can be written as BE plus EC. BE plus EC is equal to 80 meter. B is equal to X. X plus EC is equal to 80. This implies that EC is equal to 80 minus X. Okay. Okay. Then angle of elevation of pole AB from E. Theta 1 is equal to 30°. Angle of elevation of pole DC from E. Theta 2 is equal to 60°. We have to find, let AB is equal to DC is equal to H. We have to find first height of the poles, that is H, then distance of the point from both of the poles, that is X and 80 minus X. Okay. Let's start the main part of the question. Okay. First I am going to take the triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, angle ABE is equal to 90°. Then we are going to take tan theta 1. Theta 1 is this angle and theta 2 is this angle. Okay, we are going to take theta 1 first. That is tan theta 1 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BE. Okay. Let's substitute the values. So we get tan 30 degrees is equal to AB is H and B is X. This implies that 1 by root 3 is equal to H by X. So we get X is equal to root 3H. Okay. Or H root 3. Then we are going to take triangle DEC or DCE. It can be written as equation number 1. In triangle DEC, angle DEC is equal to, angle DCE. Angle DCE is equal to 90 degree. We are going to take tan theta 2. Okay. Tan theta 2 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side of theta 2 is DC and adjacent side is EC. That is DC divided by EC. Let's put the values. Tan 60 degree is equal to DC is H and EC is 80 minus X. Value of tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Let's cross multiply. So we get root 3 into 80 minus X is equal to H. Okay. X is equal to root 3H. So let's substitute the value of X in this equation. So we get root 3 into 80 minus root 3H is equal to H. So we get root 3 into 80 minus root 3 into root 3H is equal to H. So we get 80 root 3 minus 3H is equal to H. 80 root 3 is equal to 3H plus H, which is equal to 4H. 4H is equal to 80 root 3 implies that H is equal to 80 root 3 by 4, which is equal to 20 root 3 meter. So we get the height of the poles as 20 root 3 meter. Then we have to find X and 80 minus X. X is equal to root 3H. So we get root 3 into 20 root 3. This implies that root 3 into root 3 into 20, that is 3 into 20, which is equal to 60 meter, and 80 minus X is equal to 80 minus 60, which is equal to 20 meter. So we get height of the poles is equal to 20 root 3 meter, and corresponding distances of the point E from the poles as 60 meter and 20 meter. Thank you.